Hey guys, Doug B here. Welcome to Preset of the Week, where I highlight either one of the factory presets or presets created by third-party creators. This week we're looking at another factory preset, so open your AxeFX and turn to preset 160, Valentine's Massacre. Let's listen to a little sample. So in stereotypical guy fashion, I'm doing a video with the word Valentine's in it 9 days after the actual event. But it's the thought that counts, right guys? Right guys? Actually, I'd say that this preset has more to do with the St. Valentine's Day Massacre that happened 93 years ago. The St. Valentine's Day Massacre was the murder of 7 members and associates of Chicago's North Side gang that occurred on St. Valentine's Day 1929. The men were gathered at a Lincoln Park, Chicago garage on the morning of February 14, 1929. They were lined up against a wall and shot by 4 unknown assailants, 2 dressed as police officers. The incident resulted from the struggle to control organized crime in the city during Prohibition between the Irish Northsiders, headed by George Bugs Moran, and their Italian Chicago outfit rivals led by Al Capone. The perpetrators have never been conclusively identified, but former members of the Egan's Rats gang working for Capone are suspected of a role, as are members of the Chicago Police Department who allegedly wanted revenge for the killing of a police officer's son. Now, this is one of those presets that stretches the definition of being musical, although I love the stuff that this preset pumps out. It's just a whole lot of fun making all these weird noises. Now, this preset has 4 scenes: bones, blood, guts, and urchasm, which is massacre spelled backwards. It uses 9 blocks besides the in and out block: comp 1, drive, amp, cab, volpan, pitch, delay, enhance, and comp 2. Now, all 9 of the blocks are active, although the drive block is only used in scene 4. The comp 1 block uses a Studio FF compressor 1 type. The drive block is using the rat distortion. The amp block is using the band commander. The cab block is using Factory 1 number 972, a 2x12 double verb 121B. Now, the volpan block is using the volume type with the volume maxed out. The pitch block is doing a lot of work on this one. As you can see, it's already at work here. I think it uses crystal echoes in channel A, B, C, and then D uses the dual detune. The delay block is using the reverse delay type. The enhance block is using the classic type. And the comp 2 block is also using the Studio FF compressor 1. Now, I'll step through and demo each scene in this preset, and I'll list the scene name on the screen. I don't have a song for this one, although I could see scene 4 being used, like in one of those songs where the song fades out and then comes back and there's some backwards guitar playing, either like a Jimi Hendrix or Beatles kind of thing. So there you have it, guys. The Valentine's Massacre. What a weird sounding but cool preset. Yeah, this one would have driven my parents bonkers back in the day. You might even say it would have slayed them. Now this Friday we're going to talk about the latest firmware for the Axe FX3. That might be 19.02, might be 19.03, might even be something else. Now you don't want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, see you then.